Alright. We outside with it. We building snow forts. Shmoodi, the little Shamu in the chat. This is my snow fort. It looked trash. First snow fort.
Don't go to my property.
Look better. Camera kind of smush it, but it's valid. Hers mad big. Hers mad big. But regardless, I'm finna put her on a t-shirt, bro. She don't know what it's like. I came up building it. She ain't never did this before. So she finna get packed up in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lil Shamu, tell the people about your...
Oh my God.
Tell the people about your MTV crib.
Okay, so this is the living room right here.
Tight.
These 3 blocks.
Tight.
This is the kitchen. We're on a big back slide.
Tight. That's where I'll be at.
And this is just something else.
That's something else.
And my house has way more, because look at his. This is dirt.
My house is like a hole in the ground.
Right.
But that's alright. I'm still finna wash it.
And I got an entrance to look, bro.
She got a whole, I dug her a whole path.
He doesn't have an entrance, bro.
Cause you gotta traverse the wilderness. You gotta traverse the wilderness to get to my crib. Cause I'm like that.
And this is all my money.
Your money is ice?
No.
You
All
sure?
my money.
Just give me my money.
But yeah.
That's why you missed.
The camera went off?
Nope.
The camera went off, jerk.
Well, this is the aftermath. Not much left here. She decided to cheat and dive through my fort after she was getting washed. So I decided to cheat and I dove through her fort. It got real ghetto. That's alright. I won. She lost. That's just how it be.